The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of Blackboard. First, welcome to English 112 summer session, and I need to say something about taking this class during the summer. Many people think that because it's summer school it's going to be short, which it is going to be. It's only 8 weeks. However, you have to realize that this is a regular 16-week semester course stuffed into 8 weeks. So you're not really getting out of anything. It's really putting you under a lot of pressure to get everything done in a short amount of time. So you really need to think about whether you want to invest this kind of time, this kind of intensity in a summer school class. However, the purpose of the video is to give you an overview of Blackboard, and I'm going to explain absolutely everything to do in this course. You see the first screen, the welcome, the announcements. All announcements stay up through the entire semester, so if you miss something, you can scroll down to see what you have missed. The most important document of the entire course is the syllabus. You click on the syllabus button, and you will have access to the syllabus. There are two versions. One is a Word document. You click on this link and it will take you to the document. And then there is a cut and paste version if you can't access the Word document. Everything about the course is in the syllabus. For example, where my office is located, my office hours, course policies, the kind of essays we're writing, how long they have to be, the grading scale. I'm on a 5-point scale, which is a bit unusual for most classes. A 5 counts as an A, a 4 is a B, a 3 is a C, a 2 is a D, and a 1 is an F. You can scroll through this document. You will see the course objectives, the reading journals. You'll do 3 reading journals. You'll have 4 essays to write. But the most important part of the syllabus, if you'll pardon my scrolling down, is the weekly syllabus. You must look at this section in order to find out when things are due and where they are posted. You will be posting things in 2 places. You will either be posting them under assignments. That's where you will post the essays and the journals. Or you will be posting things under the discussion board. But more about those things later. But be sure to look at the weekly syllabus. This tells you exactly when things are due and where they are supposed to be posted. For example, week 1 of the semester, you should be looking at this video, you should be looking at the syllabus, and becoming familiar with Blackboard. Then you have things due. For example, June the 1st, the introduction is due. That's due in the discussion board by midnight of June the 1st. Make sure that you plan ahead. I know you're busy. I know your class, this class does not, it's not the only thing you're taking, the only thing you're doing. So it's crucial that you plan ahead. I typically do not make any changes in the course so that you can make plans. Also, do not do any research on the first 2 essays. They are 4 essays. They are all argumentative, persuasive. I'd like for you to choose your own topics. There is a list of typical argumentative topics, but I prefer that you write about something of interest to you. Back to the buttons. Scrolling back up, excuse the scroll. Information about me is under the Faculty Information button. My work phone number, where my office is located, and the office hours. Course documents. There are over a dozen documents that will help you with the course. There are videos, there are PowerPoints. I explain everything about the course in detail, the kind of writing, sample writings. For example, this is a video explaining English 112 in under 5 minutes. This document gives you the objectives of English 112, what you need to know by the time you end this course. English 111 is a prerequisite for this course. This gives you an English 111 preview or overview or review if you have not taken English 111 in a couple of semesters. These are the kinds of essays we'll be writing this semester. This is a PowerPoint on how to choose a topic, stages of the writing process, the importance of a claim or thesis, All the topics are argumentative, so this is a little checklist to tell you whether your topic is argumentative. This is how I'll be reading your essays. It's a scoring rubric. This is the grammar grid that explains the grammar problems that may surface. This gives you a list of topics that you can write about. However, I like original topics, something that is of interest to you, but they have to be argumentative. Here is a list of topics that I want you to avoid. Here's a template for essay organization, a PowerPoint on sentence structure, best practices. Here's a Journal 1 sample, Journal 3 sample. Here is the essay that I have posted in the discussion board as a sample essay, and there are a number of former student essays to show you exactly what I want you to do. An essay sample for essay 3, some professionally written essays. Scrolling back up, this is where you will post your essay. Essay 1, Essay 2, Essay 3, Journal 1, 2, 3. You click on the title. You go down to Browse My Computer. You find your document. It'll either be on your computer's desktop, on a flash drive, or an external hard drive. Wherever you have done your document, you click on Browse My Computer, find your document, click on that, press Open, then click Submit. Never put the document in your comments box. You always have to attach the document. You'll do the same thing for Essay 2, Essay 3. You have to scroll down to Submit Journal 1. Journal 2, you do the very same thing. Journal 3, when the journal is due, you click on Journal 1, click on Browse My Computer, find your document, open the document, click Submit. And make sure you have followed the steps where I remind you what you do here, and make sure you have saved your file by your last name, first name, Journal 1, Essay 1, Essay 2, Essay 3, whatever it happens to be, and make sure it's in the MLA format. And there's a little video that tells you exactly what to do with that. But this is where you'll submit the major assignments. I have not included Essay 4 here, but I will. Then the discussion board. This is where you'll post questions that you have about class. You'll click on the title. The discussion board should open. Then you click on Create New Thread. Let me try this one. Click on the title, Create Thread, and write in your introduction. And then I've given you my sample introduction. Again, click on the title, and here are a sample a video that explains the outline that I want you to present, and here is a sample outline. This shows you exactly what I want you to do. And going back to the discussion board, there are 7 discussion boards. This is where you'll post your topics. This is where you'll post the peer review. Make sure you read the instructions. It's crucial that you follow the directions. Topics for Essay 2, peer review for Essay 2, topics for Essay 3, peer review. Scrolling back up, then you go to web links. This is where you'll find your textbook. The first 20 links make up your textbook. You will click on the link, read it, write a summary, write a reaction, go to the next link. Click on the watch the video, summarize it, write a reaction, go to the next. The first 10 make up the first journal. The second 10 make up the second journal. Then the third journal, you're reading 3 editorials. The journals are explained in detail in the syllabus, and there are samples of each journal in course documents. Then you'll click on My Grades to see the things that I've graded, and your average is always there throughout the semester. Click on Tools you can send me an email, or you can send the class email. Going back to announcements. Just to give you a brief overview, you need to read the syllabus after you've looked at this video and make sure you're familiar with course policies, the types of essays, and especially the weekly assignments, when they're due and where they're due. If there are questions, I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you have a great semester. Good luck.